In today's video, I'm going to show you Whatnot App Review 2025. Whatnot has quickly become one of the biggest live-selling platforms, especially for collectibles, sports cards, sneakers, and vintage goods. Its appeal lies in the live auction format, where sellers stream in real time, showcase items, and allow buyers to bid or purchase instantly. This creates an interactive shopping experience that blends entertainment with commerce. For many, it feels more engaging than scrolling static listings on eBay or Mercari, and the community aspect makes it fun to discover new sellers and products. For buyers, Whatnot can be rewarding if you're hunting for unique items or enjoy the excitement of bidding. Many users highlight good deals, direct interaction with sellers, and the thrill of live discovery. Sellers, meanwhile, benefit from moving inventory quickly without having to take endless photos or write lengthy descriptions. The platform's streamlined setup and ability to sell multiple items in one show reduce friction compared to traditional online marketplaces. Still, there are downsides worth considering. Buyers sometimes face high shipping fees, delayed deliveries, or items that don't fully match expectations. Glitches in streams or payments occasionally frustrate users, and customer service can be slow in resolving disputes. Sellers also feel pressure to drop prices to stay competitive in auctions, which may cut into profit margins. The fast pace means it's easy for buyers to overspend impulsively, and for sellers, meeting shipping deadlines can be stressful. When it comes to legitimacy, Whatnot is a real company backed by investors with secure payment systems and buyer protection policies. It isn't a scam, but like any marketplace, risk around product quality, shipping, and fair pricing still exist. Yay! That's it. Thank you for watching this video.